Our top priority is to fight like heck to pass the Repair Act this year. Now, thanks to the MEMA Aftermarket Suppliers team in DC, the work of our members and our partners, we are well positioned to achieve this goal. We're making progress in the House Energy and Commerce Committee, and the Senate is moving toward bill introduction. Now, with elections in November, Congress will wind down its work. The list of issues being considered will dwindle. So to achieve our goal, we have to make a big push to ensure the Repair Act remains a congressional priority. Our time is now, and we need you. So we've launched our at-home repair campaign to schedule as many in-district meetings and facility visits as we can over these next few months, so legislators understand how the Repair Act will benefit MEMA members and their constituents at home. So please visit MEMA.org/R2R for Right to Repair to learn more and get started. Our MEMA advocacy team will help you with every step. Thank you.